Today, Ma'am Carbajal, our research topic is all about the impact of electronic banking on customer satisfaction in China Bank, Malaysia. The researchers, Noel, Mausay Shilame, Rizami Amor Palomado, and April May Palacio. Let's go to introduction.
Good afternoon, ma'am. So the introduction of the study is as follows. E-banking or electronic banking is a form of banking in which funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals, rather than through an exchange of cash, checks, or other types of paper documents. Additionally, opting for electronic banking eliminates errors due to poor handwriting or mistaken information. Customers prefer convenience over waiting in line physically in the bank, most especially during this pandemic, which is banks are required those clients to wear masks and face shield and other types of requirements they have. E-banking effortlessly helps and ensure the smooth processing of all banking transactions on a daily basis rather than waiting for monthly statements. Furthermore, errors can be noted and resolved quicker in e-banking. The researchers aim to examine the impact of electronic banking on customer satisfaction in China banks, Malaysia. So the conceptual framework of the study, from the collective and established literatures reviewed, the researcher conceptualizes the impact brought by this devastating health crisis, which is COVID-19 here in Malaysia, which significantly affects the customer satisfactions in transacting in the bank through a banking system. So the schematic graph shows the possible factors affecting the customer satisfactions in regards to the electronic banking services, such as the service efficiency, accessibility, convenience, security features, or the assurance, and the service quality offered by certain bank, which is the China Bank Malaysia.
We have also here the statement of the problem. This study aims to examine the impact of electronic banking on customer satisfaction in China Bank of the Philippines and Malaysia. Specifically, it sought to answer the following questions. First, is there any significant difference between ordinary banking and e-banking services? Second, what are the challenges encountered by the customers after they have started e-banking? Let's go to statement of hypothesis. In addition to answering the research questions, the study tested the following hypothesis. Hypothesis 1. There is significant difference between ordinary banking and e-banking services. Hypothesis 2. There is no significant difference between ordinary banking and e-banking services. So in the statement of the problem and the statement of hypothesis, we will try to find out whether the distinction of between the online banking and the daily activity of um, physically going to the China bank and doing basic transactions.
So, the significance of the study. The findings of the study will benefit the stakeholders and the banking industry itself. Through this study, the clients will experience quality online service, acquire useful information, and smooth online transactions from the banking institution, especially that because of the pandemic. Customers tend to prefer online transactions for safety purposes. It also benefits the banking institution in Malaybalay City as they realize the importance of electronic banking on the development and the quality of their service, as it gives voice to the customers' complaints and feedbacks. It will also assist in identifying the challenges and understanding the customer's attitude towards e-banking. They will benefit from the opportunities as they formulate strategies for improvement to overcome the obstacles. This would help achieve the bank's stated objectives to accommodate the customer satisfaction through its online service, which will result in an increase in the shareholders' wealth in the long run. The study will also be beneficial to scholars and academians as a form of a basis for future research and supply literature for future studies in electronic banking. Scope and the limitation. The limitation of the study includes the following. The data will be collected on the clienteles of China Bank. The conducts of the study specify the China Bank in Malaybalay City. The focus is on the customer satisfaction in relation to the efficiency, accessibility, convenience, security features, and service quality on electronic banking of the China Bank. The study used the descriptive method with a research-made questionnaire and convenient sampling respondents. The definition of terms. First is customer satisfaction. The term refers to a measurement that determines how happy customers are with a company's product, service, and capabilities. In this study, it refers to the course of action to determine the happiness of the customer when it comes to China Bank electronic services. Clientele. In this study, this is the customers of the China Bank. Lastly, electronic banking. E-banking or electronic banking is a form of banking in which funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals rather than through an exchange of cash, checks, or other types of paper documents. In this study, it refers to the services offered or provided by China Bank. Uh, that's all po, ma'am, for our chapter 1 sa research topic.